That's awesome.
Yeah, bias tires back then, they squealed like anything.
Are you serious?
All right, Len. We're gonna come up on 1 million subscribers. We're gonna shave your beard. Right?
My
Come on.
beard?
Yeah, we're gonna celebrate by
I
shaving
think
your
that's a
beard.
great idea.
I don't think so, Matt.
Yeah.
No.
What
Yeah.
about
Come on.
shaving your head, Sue, for
Oh,
$1
yeah.
million?
Let's
$1
do it.
million, baby.
Dude,
Oh, come on.
$1 million. I didn't know that was on the
It's
table.
not for
Come
you,
on.
brother. No way.
Just
Here,
you?
take it.
Okay.
I shaved my head at 100K and it never grew back.
Okay.
You
So,
have to do
it's
it.
definitely not helping. Come on, guys. Help me out here. Put something in the comment section. Think of something crazy that we can do. Let's, I don't know, drain the oil in a car and just run it. You want to do something crazy like
Blow
that?
up the engine?
Blow up the
Yeah,
engine?
let's blow up
Only
the
if it
engine.
catches
Let's
on
do
fire.
it. Ooh.
So we're on the road to 1 million, so make sure you subscribe so we can blow that engine up.
Woo!
Right.
Or shave your beard.
Or get-
Yeah, let's shave the beard.
I agree.
Ah, friends, help! These guys are going crazy!